Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you are fine today, and we have to start the lecture on the daily basis for the mathematics. You know I am your teacher, and we have to take the lecture on the daily basis for the mathematics. And now we have to take a special case in this topic. The statement of the values a square negative b square over a plus b and is equal to, we have to find the correct answer. We have to find the correct answer. And now we have to start this. What will be the value of the correct in the? We have to find the four options will be given. The first option is a plus b, and the second option a negative b whole square, and the third option a negative b, and the fourth option a plus b whole square. These are the fourth option. We will select at 1. We have to select maybe first, maybe second, maybe third, and maybe fourth. We have to find the correct answer in this case. So we have to take, you know that a square negative b square is the formula. A negative b square is the formula. If we can express in the second form, which will be this. Second form, which will be this. But you know that these value can contain a plus b into a negative b and divided by a plus b and divided by a plus b. You know, if we have to divide a plus b, these will be cancelled and a negative b, which will be the correct answer. These are the simplification, and we have to this. So we have to choose. We have to see that in this option, which will be a negative b. So a plus b wrong, a negative b whole square, which we also wrong. A negative b is the correct answer, and the which will be wrong. Okay? Yes, student. I hope this video will be formative for you, and you learn from this video and my lecture. If the video is the formative, you subscribe my channel. Because the next video will be coming for you on your YouTube channel, and learn it and get the good marks in the examination. So wait for the next video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.